Hi, I'm Magician Paul Weatherby, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about the cut the rope in half trick, or the old cut and restored rope trick. You're going to need a piece of rope and a pair of scissors. The cut and restored rope trick is a classic